Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by verifying the basics. Confirm the keyboard types in Notepad so you know it's not hardware. Then, launch Word in safe mode by holding Control while opening it. This disables add-ins that often block input. Once done, inspect input language and keyboard layout in the taskbar because mismatched layouts can remap keys. Also press and release modifier keys, Shift, Control, Alt, to clear any stuck state, since Word can behave as if a key is held down. Next, you dig deeper into Word and the system. Open File, Options, Add-ins, then manage COM add-ins and disable suspicious entries. Add-ins often intercept keystrokes. If that fails, repair Office from Settings or Control Panel. Choose Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if needed because it fixes corrupted program files. Meanwhile, open Device Manager to update or reinstall the keyboard driver. Outdated or corrupted drivers can stop key events reaching applications. Make sure Finish by restoring Word's configuration. Close Word and rename Normal. So Word creates a fresh global template, which often restores normal typing. If that doesn't help, create a new Windows user account to check for profile corruption, because a good profile isolates system-wide versus user-specific faults. As a last step, use System Restore to revert to a working point or gather exact symptoms and error messages for IT support. If things go wrong, one key tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.